When you first open Excel, you will be presented with a home screen that looks like this. And it's this home screen that has been a part of Excel for many years and different generations of the program. Your home screen might look a little different to mine, but generally speaking, it will have roughly the same layout and functionality. I do understand that some people who enroll in this course, and this might be someone like you, will already have some experience with this home screen and its functionality. But with this being a beginner to advanced course, I do have to start right from the beginning, and this is just so I have all corners covered. But there's something to look forward to. In a few tutorials' time, you'll get to download the main workbook, and in this section, we're going to dive headfirst into Microsoft Excel. And this will be really good. So firstly, we have this area here, which is kind of like a quick access area where you can gain access to some of the latest Excel documents that you've had open. To prioritize any of these documents, you can click on the pin icon, and it will get added to the pinned list area. Then to remove a document from this area, once again, just click on the pin icon. If you'd like to use an Excel template, you'll notice that you have several to choose from up here at the top of the window. But if you can't find what you're looking for here, you can just click on More Templates and take a look at the other ones available. But if you still can't find what you're looking for here, you can always look online. In the search feature here, type in what you would like to look for and see what Excel gives back to you. To open a template, you can of course just click on it, and you may have to click on Create, and it will open up. Once you've done this, if you think it's not the right template for you and you'd like to choose another, then just click on File and choose another template. But please keep in mind that the previous template you had open is still going to be open in a separate Excel application. Back in the home screen, the More Templates option is exactly the same as the new option here. Moving on to the Open tab. I say it's pretty self-explanatory. You can use this area to find and open Excel documents on your computer, attached storage devices, and synchronized storage services like OneDrive. As you can see, there's also a recent area here, similar to the one on the main home screen. In this area, we have this PC and Browse. If you click or double-click on any of these options, they will open up your computer's File Explorer, or whatever the equivalent is if you're using a Mac. And of course, you can use this feature to find and open any Excel documents on your computer and or storage devices. Once you find the Excel document you want, just select it and then click on Open. Moving on to the Account tab, about half of the people who enroll in this course are using a Microsoft Office subscription. This might not be you at this point, but if you do get it, or you already have it, if you click on Manage Account here, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Office website, and here you can manage certain things to do with your Office subscription. For instance, sharing Office with other people, if of course you have this type of subscription, and you can do other things like retrieve your invoices for your payments to Microsoft and more. Back in the Account tab, you can update Office under Office Updates, and you can disable updates here as well. Depending on the version of Excel you have, you might or might not have these options available to you. Then we have the Office background, which just changes the pattern up here at the top right-hand side of the screen. And then we have the Office scheme, which I suppose can also be called the Office color scheme. First of all, we have dark grey, black, white, and then colorful, which is the default color scheme for Excel. All of these color schemes are applied throughout the program, so within the workbooks as well. Then finally, we have the options. At the moment, we don't need to change anything with these settings, but we will be visiting these settings every now and again as we go through this course. And lastly, back in the home screen, at this point, I need you to open up a blank workbook because this is what you'll be using over the next few tutorials.